Hey there, this is Python trainer Reuven Lerner. If you want to get into the world of Python and data analysis, there's a world of opportunity at your fingertips. It's a great idea, but it's hard for a whole lot of people, and maybe this includes you, to find the motivation, to find the community, to find the mentors that they need to move forward quickly and well so they can really understand these topics and not just understand some of the syntax and scratch the surface. That's where my Python Data Analysis Bootcamp, which I offer twice each year, comes into play. For 18 weeks, we work together as a small group, an intimate group, twice a week having office hours and collaboration sessions. I give you videos, I give you exercises, I give you feedback, and we work with each other to really learn, understand, and internalize how these technologies work. I don't know of any better way to get ahead with Python and data analytics, and I really strongly invite you, if you want to get into this world, to take a look at my bootcamp. It's not easy, it's not cheap, but if you're willing to work hard and make the investment, it will pay off many times over. We're starting on November 21st. That doesn't give a lot of time. Come join me at one of my webinars that I'll be offering in the next few weeks, or just email me or sign up for an interview to see if it's right for you. Take a look at Python Data Analytics Bootcamp, Python DAB, starting November 21st, and let's see if we can level up your career in the coming months.